rlcompleter completion function for GNU readline. Source code lib rlcompleter.py. The rlcompleter module defines a completion function suitable to be passed to set_completer in the readline module. When this module is imported on a Unix platform with the readline module available, an instance of completer class is automatically created and its complete method is set as the readline completer. The method provides completion of valid Python identifiers and keywords. Example: import rlcompleter, import readline parse_bind tab complete, readline tab pressed. For example, rl_completer, example dot tab pressed. Readline dot get. Okay, what is this program? Readline dot dog, readline dot get line buffer. This one, readline dot. Okay. The rlcompleter module is designed for use with Python's interactive mode. Unless Python is run with the -s option, the module is automatically imported and configured. See readline configuration. Okay. Let's Python 3 into the interactive mode, then import rlcompleter, then import readline, then readline.parse and bind tab complete. Okay, parse or complete, then readline dot tab press tab. So readline dot history, whatever method is in readline module will be displayed here, and we need to select the whatever method we want to use. For example, clear_history, right? On platforms without readline, the completer class defined by this module can still be used for custom purposes. Class rlcompleter.completer completer objects have the following method: complete text, state. Return the next possible completion for text. When called by the readline module, this method is called successively with state is equal to 0, 1, 2 until the method returns none. If called for text that doesn't include a period character dot, it will complete from names currently defined in __main__ built-ins and keywords as defined by the keyword module. If called for a dotted name, it will try to evaluate anything without obvious side effects. Functions will not be evaluated, but it can generate calls to get attribute up to the last part and find matches for the rest via the dir function. Any exception raised during the evaluation of the expression is caught, silenced, and none is returned. Thank you.